Hello students. Now in this lecture, let's master Ron Jeffries' classic framework for high velocity requirements definition, the 3 C's. If you have ever seen a software project fail because the agile team built exactly what was written on paper rather than what the user actually needed, you have seen the dangers of traditional rigid documentation. The 3 C's framework shifts our focus from static paperwork to continuous high value alignment. Let's break down how this works using our online grocery delivery app example. When a user wants to find and buy their groceries efficiently, the first step is the cart. The first C is the cart. This represents the physical or digital token like a Jira ticket or a sticky note that captures the core intent of a feature. It is purposely small to limit detail and prevent premature over engineering. For our grocery app, the cart simply states, as a busy shopper, I want to search for items by name so that I can quickly add groceries to my cart. In high performing agile teams, this card acts as a placeholder for a future relationship. It is an explicit invitation to collaborate, not a definitive signed off contract. What this means is that this card will change eventually. Now, how this card will change? This card will change by the second C, which is the conversation. This is where the true value is unlocked. Instead of developers working in a silo, analyzing a massive text document, the product managers, developers, and quality professionals, facilitated by an agile project manager, gather to discuss the cart more in detail. During the conversation for our grocery search feature, the team discusses the elaboration points like what happens if a user misspells bananas? Should the system suggest alternatives or display an error? Do we need predictive text auto suggestion as they type? This verbal and collaborative dialogue builds shared understanding. It allows the team to leverage progressive elaboration, uncovering requirements iteratively as more information becomes available rather than trying to guess everything upfront. Now, the third step of this 3C is the confirmation. The final C is confirmation. This represents the acceptance criteria that prove the story is truly complete and works as intended. When should this confirmation be written? It should be written before the user story is picked for development. Now, in this step, it is where we transform the subjective ideas from our conversation into objective testable outcomes. For our search feature in the grocery app, the confirmation might include specific acceptance test driven development or ATDD scenarios. Verify that searching for bananas displays relevant products within less than 1 second. Verify that if an item name is misspelled, it displays the correct items appropriately. Verify that if an item is out of stock, a clear out of stock badge is visible with an option to substitute. By structuring your requirements through the card, refining them via conversation, and verifying them through confirmation, you eliminate communication gaps, drastically reduce waste, and ensure the team delivers high quality product that solves real user problems from day one. Understand how it is moving beyond just a simple template of as a user I want something so that I get something.